Okay, what's up? Biggity back again for the win. All right, let's go. Split string by multiple delimiters. Python exercise done in Codewars. Once again, yep, not stopping, back again. All right, your task is to write a function which takes a string and a list of delimiters as input and returns a list of strings / characters after splitting the given string. Let's look at the examples. You're given a string, and then you're given a list of delimiters, and then you split it up by delimiters. You could be given one delimiter, you could be given several. So looking at the next one, 1 plus 2 minus 3, we're splitting it by the plus and the minus, so you get that split. And of course, generally the split is taking a string, turning it into a list in Python. Usually in the normal split, it's a single delimiter, but here we're splitting it by one or more delimiters, so you got to handle multiple delimiters, and there's some difficulty there. And let's clear that. Looking at the rest of the stuff, the list of delimiters is optional and it can be empty, so take that into account. So the list that we get here could be empty, so you got to account for that. And the result cannot contain an empty string. So we got to split by multiple delimiters. This is something that it appears easy at the outset, but once you get into it, you realize that there is some difficulty there, and you can do a split where you split by one delimiter using the split function, but then what do you do on the next turn and the next turn? Because once you do one split, you now have a list of strings with the next delimiter you have to split somewhere in that list of strings. It can be a little difficult. But got a strategy here that I'm going to show you to break this sucker down. Alright. Getting in here. So you can be given multiple delimiters here. My strategy is going to be to take the multiple delimiters and just turn them into one delimiter. Like, let's say if there's a question mark and an underscore and a dash, you take one of those delimiters and turn all the other ones into that delimiter. Then you call the split function once, and there you go, problem solved. You go from multiple to a single delimiter. So I think it's a reasonable, good strategy. And the instructions say that the list of delimiters could be empty, so I'm going to check that right away. If the length of delimiters is not empty, I'm actually going to check for it not being empty. I'm going to create a variable called valid, and I'm going to set that variable to the first delimiter. Of course, delimiters could have 0 or more elements. If it has at least one element, there will be an element 0, so this is going to work. Of course, if there's no delimiters, this condition would not be valid, and it would go to another condition. And I'm going to set it to one of the delimiters because I'm going to use that, whatever element 0 is, I'm going to set all the other delimiters in the string to that delimiter, and then do one split, and then it'll be good. Yeah. So I got to handle some other conditions though. Like, if the string is passed in as an empty string completely, I'm just going to return an empty list. kind of as per the instructions. And if the string is not empty, but the delimiters list is empty, then I'm going to return the string inside of a list unsplit. If there's no delimiters, and I'm gonna get here if there's no delimiters. See, I'm checking up here for there being delimiters, and I'll go this path. If there are no delimiters, I'm gonna hit the else, and then if there's something in the string, I'm gonna hit this else, but there's nothing to split by, so I just return a list really around that same string. So really just getting some, this is kind of input validation, getting some cases out of the way other than the main case. Now I'm going to go on to the main case. The main case is going to be if there are items in the delimiters list, and if I actually have a string and it's not empty, I'm going to loop through my delimiters. I'm going to loop through the delimiters, and here is where I'm going to replace all the other delimiters with my one delimiter. I'm taking delimiter element 0 and replacing all the other delimiters in the string with my so-called valid delimiter, element 0. So the end result is that I will have a single delimiter to split the string by, as opposed to multiple. The next line will be the last. Here I'm going to do my split, and it'll be one split. I'm going to split it by that one delimiter, if I can spell it right. I'm going to split it by that one delimiter that I now have in the string. I'm going to loop through that delimited, I'm going to loop through that list, and I need to filter out the empty strings, because there are going to be empty strings when I do this split. It's the way it is. So if there are empty strings, I filter them out, and I only go with non-empty strings. The result is going to be a list of strings it's really been split by all the delimiters, but the delimiters have been changed to a single delimiter, and that just makes the programming easier. And there we go, folks. Back to the regular view, and let's run it. Test there. Passes there. Correctamundo. We got this one, baby. All right. And this one is, what's the name of it? I always have to go back to check the name. Yeah. Split string by multiple delimiters, Codewars, Python. This one is good. All right. And with that one,